In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix the white bar problem easily and fast on Instagram app. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. Open the apps, go to Instagram. Now all what you have to do is click on force stop and go down to the data users, scroll down, enable all the options and then go back, click on the permissions and do the same thing, enable all the permissions. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back again, and now all what you have to do is restart your phone and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you have to go to Play Store, search for Instagram and then click here on update to update the app. And if it's not fixed yet, then you have to uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it again, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.